Hi there, this is Mrs. Cariotti from the Citizenship Academy in Syracuse, New York. What I wanted to do today is I wanted to practice our counting with one-to-one correspondence, our counting very slowly and very carefully for numbers 11 through 15. As you can see, the directions on this worksheet say, count the pictures in each box, then write the total on the line. So before we jump right in, I want to remind you that normally when we were in person and we were counting things, I would ask you to use your pointer finger. Now, you can use your pointer finger when you go ahead and you solve the rest of these problems by yourself, but I can't show you that on my computer. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use my pen, and on my screen, I'm going to cross out each picture as I count them. Okay, I'm going to count them nice and slowly and carefully, and I'm going to cross out as I go. Okay, so we're going to get started right here at the top. We're going to start with these red circles. Okay, that's where we're going to be counting first. Okay, we're going to count those red circles. So we're going to jump right in, and I want you to count with me as I cross out each of these circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just counted nice and slowly and carefully, and I know that there are 12 red circles. So I'm going to write the number 12 on the line. Okay? Now, next we're going to do the blue triangles. Okay, next we're going to do the blue triangles. This is going to be the last one that we do together in this video, and then I want you to do the purple hearts, the yellow Pac-Man, and the green smiley faces on your own. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's look at the blue triangles. See them right here? Okay, that's what we're going to look at next. Okay, here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see, I counted nice and slowly and carefully, and I counted 14 blue triangles. Okay? So, like I said, I want you to finish this worksheet on your own. I want you to touch and count each picture nice and slow for the purple hearts, the yellow Pac-Man, and the green smiley faces. Happy counting! See you again soon. Bye-bye.